What is up, everyone? This is ms-windows-storepurgecaches here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows error Microsoft Windows Store Purge Cache app didn't start, or something weird like that. It'll be in the title. So I'm going to basically show you how to essentially fix this. So we're gonna go down two routes. The first easy route is you actually want to just straight up search Windows Update in your search bar and just literally update it. Check for updates. If there's an update there, and the optional updates, update your Windows. This should fix this issue. It's mostly because people weren't updating their Windows and this error would pop up. So again, doing this should fix your issue. If this does not fix your issue, we're gonna go down two segment routes. The first is via CMD. We're gonna open this as admin. Be sure to run this as admin, and we're gonna run this code over here. It's on my other screen, but I'm gonna pop it up right now. Well, let me actually just show you. We're gonna run the CMD code. We're gonna try the two routes that I said, but the first one is CMD. We're gonna copy it and paste it in CMD, and it's gonna do all this craziness, and it's gonna basically do that for you, and then this error should not pop up for you anymore. Basically, just let it run, let it do the purge, and you should be good to go. Voila. As you can see, it'll most likely do everything, and you're fine here. The next one you wanna try is, if that still persists, or even if it doesn't, you want to just do this as well, is search PowerShell in the search bar, run it as administrator, just like that, and we're going to run the second code, or the first code, I guess, right there, and basically search that and press enter. And you're going to see it's going to basically do it, and you should be then, same thing, you should be good to go, and you should be good at, and this should have resolved it. Restart your computer, and you should be good to go. No more errors, no more issues. Purge has initiated. That's basically it. That's all you got to do, and you guys should be good to go. If you guys overall have any comments, questions, concerns, just let me know in the comment section below. More than happy to help you guys out. If you guys overall like this video, please smash that like button, helps a lot. And if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. And that ms-windows-storepurgecaches out.